Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Capcut PC. Without any further delay, let's get into it. First, let's import the video and add this video to the timeline. Now select the video and go to the start of the video. Now go to Right Basic Transform and click on here. This is your first keyframe where the video will start to zoom in. Now go at the end of the video and select the video. Just increase the scale size to 120 and press enter, because this will automatically add a keyframe here. Let's play the video from the start. You can see it's working, but the video is 20 sec long and I want more to zoom in. Let's do a scale of 140 and see how it's going to look. Now you guys can see the difference. Also, remember, when you do keyframe, try to play with scale. If your video is short, like 3 to 8 seconds, then do a scale of 108 to 115. But if the video is long, then just play with the scale. This is how you can add zoom in on Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.